Hello, my dear parents. Today, I want to discuss a very, very important lesson that you need to teach your children. That is, teaching them that choices have consequences. I'm Commander Bimal Raj. I'm the founder of Insightful Parents. I'm an internationally certified trainer and an executive coach. I'm also a teen parenting mentor. Now, as parents, you should always encourage your children to let them make their own choice about things and events in their lives. A self-driven child is somebody who evaluates a situation or request based on the available inputs, and it should be based on the merit of the situation or the request that they take a conscious decision. Their decision should never be based on the thought that what will my mom or dad say or do if I do this. Now, it's not easy to teach this as parents, because if we really want them to question everything and think independently and then take a decision, then we must be ready to let them question our ideas and thoughts as well. Give reasons for what you want them to do. And the reason should never be because I'm telling you, because I'm your parent. That should never be the reason. Now, they should know that their choices have consequences, good and bad ones. When I say consequences, I'm not saying that, okay, if you don't do this, I will not allow you to watch television for a week. No, that is a threat. That is not a natural consequence. A natural consequence could be that if they do not study for a test, they will not pass the exam. If they do not practice for a role, they will not pass or get selected in the audition. If they do not wash their clothes, they will not have clean clothes. These are natural consequences. And it is very important that you let them go through a little bit of pain of a wrong choice and understanding the consequence of a wrong choice. Let them make the mistakes while you are there to protect them, because once they grow up and when they go out, then the consequences can be very, very costly. So teach them at this point that let them go through some painful consequences so that they learn the importance of making the right choices. Thank you.